guys, it's Destiny. I'm back with what we call an Out 365 update, where we dive into the Microsoft Admin Center and pull out all of the updates that Microsoft pushes out. We filter through them and present the ones to you that we think will be beneficial to your organization, simplify your work, and focus on things that people are using every day in the Microsoft realm. Today I'm going to be discussing the new Microsoft Whiteboard app in Teams. This is going to allow you to create, collaborate, and share with your team right within the Teams app and outside of Teams meetings that you have previously had. You can now easily access all of your whiteboards in one single place inside of Teams. You can pre-prep a board for your next meeting or add a whiteboard to your favorite chat or channels to collab with your team asynchronously. Whiteboard is going to make it easy to function in hybrid workplaces. It's going to allow us to brainstorm, plan, and share all of our ideas with our colleagues on a digital canvas. A couple of cool things that Whiteboard is going to allow us to do is run effective meeting, brainstorm new ideas, learn and coach others, sprint plan, project manage, problem solve, and a ton of more things that are going to help our businesses run way more smoothly. Whiteboard is going to be readily available in the web browser all throughout Teams, and it's going to be downloadable for Windows, iOS, Android, and Surface Hub devices. Companies will be able to load a clean whiteboard slate by just pressing the small little plus button, and that's going to give you just a fresh page where you can start laying out all of your ideas. This is going to be a really cool change, and it's going to progress the way that meetings run for the better, and I'm so excited to start using this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see what we have rolling out next.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.